My name is Joey Crisler, and this is my wife, Joy. We've lived here for 18 years.
My father-in-law lives right across the street, and so we lived with him when we first got married, and we were able to buy this property across the street.
It was time for a new roof. 18 years is a long time for a roof, so we decided to go with something a little bit more durable that was going to last longer and hopefully never have to replace it again. So
I'll tell you, a lot of people really have a lot of trouble picking out a color. You guys figured it out. This looks so good with the house.
I was nervous about changing the color of the roof, but now that it's on, it has far exceeded my expectations. I think it's beautiful and it makes our house look even better.
And when you see like after storms and things like that, you see the damage with shingles and all that, this has to give you a much better, let's say, comfort level, knowing we're in a hurricane-prone area and just some of the afternoon storms even. A little more security knowing you got metal above your roof.
we're hoping that'll be the last one we ever have to put on.
And another misconception about metal roofing, people think that it's really loud. But if you put it on a surface like they put it on here, it's really no louder than a regular shingle roof.
Correct. It actually rained here Saturday, I believe, and we never heard anything different.
We decided on a metal roof because we don't want to have to go through this process again, and we know that it's going to be durable, and it looks so good. We have several houses in the neighborhood that have a metal roof, and it's improved the quality of our house greatly.